So, good day everyone. What I have here is an assembly program that calculates for the greatest common factor and the least common multiple of three numbers. So, as you can see here, we have the function calculate LCM. It takes two numbers and then calculate the LCM. So, we have here the calculate GCF. It takes three parameters. So it takes three parameters: the address of the GCF variable and two numbers. So we have here the get nums. So this is the input validation. So it asks for three inputs and then check if the input is valid. So we have here the main program. Here, the LCM part, it uses pass by value. So it passes the values of num1 and num2 to the calculate LCM function. So for case 2, we have the GCF. So it uses pass by reference because it passes the address of the GCF variable. So let's run this program. So we opened a command prompt. So first, we change the directory to oh wait so make sure to use command prompt. So we change the directory to learning task. So let's first create an object file using the .asm file. So nasam hf win32 and then the file name. So after we create an object file, we'll create the executable file using the linker gcc o 32. So the executable file is now created. Let's run it. So here we have the program. So let's try to get the LCM of 75, 30, and 50. So as you can see, the LCM is 150. So let's try to get the GCD. So we choose number 2. So let's try 30, -66, and 99. So as you can see, so it prompts an error if the input number is outside the range 1 to 99. So let's fix that. So the GCF of 30, 66, and 99 is 3. So let's try again for get the GCF of 2 or 5, 43, and 29. So the GCF of 5, 40, and 29 is 1. So we check for the LCM of 11, 4, and 8. So the LCM of 11, 4, and 8 is 44 or is 88. So Let's try again for the LCM. So 20, 80, and 40. So the LCM is 80. So how about we choose an input that is not in the menu? So let's try to it. So it outputs an error that the choice is not on the menu. So this program continuously loops until the user enters 0. So for to exit, we enter 0 and then it prompts thank you. So that's all for the program, and thank you very much.